Today's investigation is going to look at light and how it behaves, and to do so we're going to try and make ourselves a pinhole camera. For that you're going to need a tin. You could use anything that's opaque. You're going to need a translucent screen. I'm going to use a rubber band to hold the screen onto the tin, and a way of putting a hole into the tin. So first of all, get the tin there. One hole. Notice I put some board underneath to make sure I'm not marking the table. So there is my hole. You'll see there, ready for my pinhole for the camera. At the other end, I get my translucent screen. Try and make it as smooth as possible on the end, because it is your screen that you're going to project an image onto. And getting your rubber band securely attached to the screen there. It's as simple as that. There's your pinhole camera. Now what you need to do is point the hole at the light source and watch the screen. Now the light source has to be something bright, so if I shine it at me, you can't see an image of me. I'm not giving off enough light. I've got myself a torch just here to demonstrate, so if I turn it on, you'll see it's quite bright. And if I shine the torch at that end, you will start to see there is the image of the bulb. So, make your pinhole camera. Just like I showed you, make sure you get some help for putting the hole in, if need be. Point it at something bright, see what happens. I quite liked looking at the LED lights in the ceiling up here. Then the other thing to do, if you enjoy doing that, is what happens if you make a bigger hole. Happens to the image there. Then I got thinking, here's the other one. What happens if you've got lots of holes? Before you actually start looking at the image, think about how light moves, how it travels. In other words, it travels in a straight line. Think about what that will mean about the image that you see, and try and explain what happens or what's going to happen when we move our camera closer or further apart, further away from the light source.